Hi everyone, and welcome back to A Whole World of Love. I am Era of Love, and today we will be going over 10 steps for singers starting a practice. The materials you will need to start your singing practice include drinking water, a journal, a pen or pencil, and a way to listen to music. Step 1. Get plenty of rest. Sleep between 7 and 9 hours the night before you plan to practice singing. Getting plenty of rest is imperative for your practice to be fruitful and healthy. Step 2. Hydrate. Drink the amount of water that is right for your body, recommended by your doctor, the day before, the day of, and the day after your singing practice. In the same way you would make sure to oil the valves of a trumpet or grease the slide of a trombone, you must hydrate the vocal cords. Step 3. Journal. Set a timer for just 2 minutes. Allow your mind to follow the first instinctual thought that arises. Follow every first thought that follows and write them down. Keep the pen or pencil moving through the entirety of the 2-minute exercise. After your timer goes off, read your writing with a lens of compassion. Look for messages that deepen your understanding of your creative spirit. Step 4. Listen to music you love. Listen to music until you find a song that moves you. This will differ depending on the day, month, year, or season of your life. Step 5. Loosen up. Place one hand on your belly. Feel your hand rise up and your back press down with each inhale. Feel these areas neutralize with each exhale. Use self-massage to relax the muscles and expand the space in your face and jaw. The vocal system expands far beyond the vocal cords. Moving the body is essential to relaxed, happy singing. Step 6. Make gentle, joyful sounds. Make gentle, joyful, and silly sounds. Start with simple sounds such as vowel sounds. Make sounds that feel natural, pleasurable, and organic. As a child, you could probably scream as high as the school bell with no pain or strain. Channel this childlike energy in this step. Step 7. Stretch out your vocal cords. Sing slowly from the bottom of your comfortable range to the top of your range, sliding through notes like a slide whistle or a trombone. Step 8. Play with your song. Yawn the whole song. Hum the whole song. Sing the whole song through a straw. Slide between every note of the melody. Step 9. Sing your song. Focus your mind on the meaning of the words you are saying. Practice embodying the meaning of the lyrics as you sing. Step 10. Cool down. After singing your song, create gentle, peaceful sounds with your voice. Yawn and stretch your body once again. Hydrate and rest your body and mind. Express gratitude for taking this time to nourish your mind, body, and creative spirit. Happy singing!